From the Consumer Electronics Show in Las Vegas, this is an ITTV special report.
You know, Sony is pushing the boundaries of 3D technology here at CES, and you would expect that a company like Sony would do just that because they've always got some very cool products. My laptop of choice for years, the one that I carry everywhere I go in all of our remote broadcasts, has been a Sony VAIO for many years through different iterations. We got some new ones, too, to talk about. Kevin Sather is with us. He's product manager for Sony Electronics. Kevin, welcome back into tomorrow. How you doing?
I'm doing great and really excited to be here. Thanks for having me.
It's a pleasure to have you because you guys are doing just that, taking the whole 3D technology even further. Tell us about this new Sony product and the style and glasses that it comes with.
Yes, this is our new VAIO 3D laptop. It's a full HD 3D experience, really focused on delivering the best multimedia that we can to the customer, as you'd expect from Sony to do just that. It has a world's first feature on it, ability to convert 2D to 3D full HD content on the fly.
Nice.
No one else can do that on a PC, and we do that and still retain the full HD picture.
That means you've got to have a pretty decent processor as well, in addition to video cards and all the graphics capabilities. No doubt this does.
Yeah, we definitely focused on multimedia, and you do need a lot of power to do that. So this is featuring the new second generation Intel Core i7, the quad-core version of the processor. Yeah. Graphics-wise, we're using NVIDIA GeForce GT 540M with 1 GB of VRAM and 7,200 RPM hard drives just for that extra boost for performance.
Nice. I mean, this is more than most desktops available these days.
Definitely.
And it's all in a styled laptop, as a matter of fact. How big is this particular model?
So this one is a 16-inch screen, full HD, 1920 by 1080 resolution.
Nice. And the glasses. Now, it comes with one pair?
Comes with one pair of the active shutter glasses. What's great about those is they're the same glasses we use for the Bravia 3D televisions, so you can interchange them between the two. And if you already own a 3D Bravia and have the glasses, now you've got another set to use with the TV as well.
And this is just part of the VAIO, this is part of the F-Series as well? Are there more laptop models?
Yeah, we've definitely got a lot we're showing here at the show this year. We've got a new all-in-one desktop. We have the original F-Series as well. We're still doing that one with the 2D multimedia focus. But definitely for 3D multimedia and 2D, of course, the new F-Series is our flagship model for that.
And no doubt some of the things you talked about early on have got to be some of your most exciting features of these products, because the whole ability to enjoy 3D, more and more content coming out.
Yep.
We've got a lot of content online available, thus the ability to be connected online, using the glasses and truly enjoying all kinds of content. Blu-ray as well.
Yeah, we're only doing Blu-ray drive options on this, no DVD drive. We're all about the full HD multimedia experience with the new F-Series.
Good. Now, in this case, the Blu-ray drive is also 3D compatible?
Oh, definitely. It'll play 3D Blu-rays, or like I mentioned earlier, put in your current 2D Blu-rays, hit the 3D button, and on the fly have a 3D experience.
That's so cool. I mean, and it does all the processing on its own. It just knows that you want a 3D experience. It's going to deliver it.
Yeah, there's a lot of work we did behind the scenes and a lot of technology that goes into delivering this quality of a picture. But for the end user, what it results in is all you have to do is press the 3D button located above the keyboard, and you have an immersive 3D experience instantly.
What about availability and price before people panic?
This will be available for pre-sales starting in February at sonystyle.com and other retailers around the country, and price-wise starting at $16.99.
Wow, very cool.
And that does include the one set of the glasses.
Yeah, well, I hope so.
And a 3D Blu-ray title in the box.
Oh, really? So
title is still to be determined.
Oh, so that's a surprise, perhaps. But as of next month, we'll be able to take advantage of this and right out of the box be able to enjoy 3D without even having to connect to the internet.
Exactly.
So take advantage of those kind of things. In the long run, though, I'm hearing kind of my audience asking me in my head, why 3D on a laptop? I mean, if you're going to go, wouldn't you just get a big Bravia set and enjoy it in your living room? So what's the take on 3D on a laptop?
Well, we really wanted to deliver more of a personal experience with 3D on the PC, as well as the ability to take it out of the home and enjoy it in more places, just the living room. If you take it over to a friend's house that has a 3D TV set, it can do output through HDMI, the 1.4 spec for 3D output to their compatible display.
Good.
So you can show your content there as well.
Get it up on that big 55-inch or whatever and, and enjoy it similarly. And that's kind of neat. What do you use it for? I'm sure you must have one.
So gaming, obviously. Obviously, I'm a
big
gamer, so I'm real excited about the new F series. I've been using our current F series that we've had for about a year now on that model, and I'm really excited about what we've done on the screen quality, as well as with the new processor technology from Intel and the new graphics from NVIDIA, and a lot of other Sony technology went into it. We have a new HD webcam with our Exmor CMOS sensor, really good low light sensitivity, ideal for webcam use, and the speaker grill is now a massive amount of speaker grill in there.
Yeah, it goes all the way across.
Yeah, we really wanted to deliver a really dynamic audio experience, so we took our S-Force 3D surround sound from our home audio group and incorporated that into the F series, so you can get a simulated surround sound from the stereo speaker setup.
So not only do you have some really cool partners in Intel and NVIDIA and people like that, but the ability to have your own in-house partnerships with very successful products and say, okay, now let's reduce them because we got to fit them in a laptop. It's a challenge, but it's one that they met, and it's working.
Yeah, it's a challenge we're happy to take on, and Sony has such a great portfolio of different various consumer electronic products. It's great to be able to combine all of that into a portable system.
Very true. Well, where are we headed into tomorrow with these kinds of devices? Because it's doing everything already. What are we not yet there for that maybe the next series is going to deliver, do you think?
Yeah, well, we'll see what customers say about this one. I think they're going to be real pleased with what we've delivered on the 3D quality and the ability to do the 2D to 3D full HD conversion. Yeah. And I think, there's always room to grow down the road.
Sure.
Actually, this is the third generation to the one you're currently using right now.
Third generation?
It's in the same family.
Behind.
Yeah, we'll get a little refresh going there for you.
Yeah, we must. Oh, my gosh. And gorgeous, too. As Andres was showing the unit, it's black. Is it available in other colors? Not that you'd want them.
This one's just in the premium black design.
Good. As well, it should be. And if you're into gaming, as Kevin is, boy, take advantage of all that it has to offer, let alone all the other 3D capabilities and processing power and all the cool stuff. The audio is amazing. Look into it at Sony.com. Of course, Sony style stores nearby you. There's all sorts of opportunities and obviously retailers all around the country and the world for that matter. Kevin, you're a delight to chat with. Keep bringing us cool products to talk about and we'll do it.
My pleasure. Thank you.
My pleasure as well to have you. Sony.com for more. And of course, IntoTomorrow.com is where you can hit us up anytime.